How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed. This is a true 138 VIN, done in its original factory color, Bolero Red, black top, black interior. See the grille, the bumpers, all been replaced on this car. Super nice car. Nice, slick, flat paint down the sides. Really nice car. See the vinyl top, been replaced, looks real good. Nice 4-speed car. Just a super slick car. Tell you, I like the car red with the black vinyl top. Looks real nice. You see all the taillight bezels, the rear bumper, they've all been redone. Car's real slick, flat, smooth down the sides. Really nice car, guys. Got the disc brakes up front. Engine holes all nicely detailed. It does have a period correct 396 in it. Got your power steering, your power disc brakes, aluminum radiator. Just real nicely detailed under the hood and everything. They did a very nice job on the restoration on this car. Paint is just super slick. Doors all look real nice. Jams, everything on the car looks really nice. Got the factory tack gauge package in it. It's got tilt wheel, which is very rare. Got all your front and rear seat belts. It's got the factory console in it. Does have a Hurst Competition Plus shifter in it. All the gauges work like they should. Super slick paint on the car. I mean, this thing is just ready to show and enjoy. Your factory jack and spare. Trunk all looks real nice in the car. Rear bumpers fits beautifully. Tell you, just a super nice car. And I tell you, find nice true 138 cars that are the original color, really tough. I tell you, these cars really look good with the black vinyl and the Bolero Red. I mean, everything on the car is very nice. All the interior's been redone. Super nice car, guys. Fire it up again. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes. Fires right up. Just a super nice car. Slick down the sides. Tell you, I really like it with the chrome revs on it. 17-inch wheels, look real good. Sounds good out the exhaust. Has stock type mufflers on it. Just really nice. Tell you, super nice car, guys. Just get in this car, cruise it, go to the shows and enjoy it. And check out the complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.